Phallus Automation is a very strong company as far as their design around food safety. It's easy for us to clean, easy to maintain. The operators have very little trouble moving from line to line. Their reliability is key for us. Being able to walk up to the equipment with a trained operator and be able to run it. Their training when we set up new equipment, the amount of time they spend with our operators, their attention to detail, ability to customize their equipment to our specs is huge for us.
I don't look at it as just selling a machine and turning my back and going somewhere and selling another machine. You know, really, I want to build a relationship.
Chris is great to work with as far as being able to make a quick phone call or even an email. You can have a quote in days, along with their engineering. If you need a modification or an upgrade, typically we can get that information inside a week and keep the process flowing.
I'll be in a sales presentation and get asked the question, what sets Phallus apart from the competition? And my go-to answer for that is always the service department. I basically sell you the first machine, and the service department is what makes you come back.
When you make a phone call to them, whether it be middle of the day, middle of the night, holiday, there's always somebody there to help answer questions.
If we deem it necessary, we'll get a person on a plane and send them out to the plant. Phallus Automation is a company that's not going to leave you high and dry. If you call us and you have a problem and you got a 15-year-old machine, we're going to treat you like you just bought a machine from us.
We would absolutely purchase more Phallus Automation equipment. They have become our standard in packaging equipment for our facility.